Volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder can be obtained by area of the base multiplied by height is equal to area of the circular base multiplied by height is equal to pi r square h. Example: the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 88 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Solution: circumference of base of vessel is equal to 2 pi r. 88 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by r. R is equal to 88 multiplied by 7 divided by 44 is equal to 14 centimeters. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h is equal to 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 25 is equal to 15,400 cubic centimeter. As 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter, therefore volume is equal to 15,400 divided by 1000 is equal to 15.4 liter.